तो करो ये वीडियो खुश एंड लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो वीडियो बेई इंशाल्लाह ये लिस कशीर गसो मे उम्मीद कि अस बनाओ वारिया वीडियोस कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज मज। Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you all are doing well.
As you guys can see both of us in the same frame, you might have guessed today something special is going to happen. And what's special than answering all your questions? Also,
guys, we have an amazing news for you guys, but वो news हम by the end of this video reveal करेंगे. So ये video पूरी end तक देख लीजिए and like we always say, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So guys, let's start the video. We have shortlisted around 25 questions and जो questions बार-बार repeat हो रहे थे, we have just merged them. So let's start with the first question. ये question हमें पूछा है ज़ीशान अहमद ने and he says, I don't have a work experience. Can I still become a cabin crew?
First of all, Zishan Ahmed, thank you so much for asking this question. I would say yes, you can still become a cabin crew. There is nowhere specific like they need work experience in a crew. If it was anything like that, they will specify it when they come for interviews that we need experienced crew. If they do not specify it, there is a possible chance that they are looking for freshers.
Exactly. Even I've seen so many crew with the current airline. When I joined in my batch, there were so many people who had no experience of flying, so you can apply as a fresher. Question number 2 is from Veena Pujari. She says, what happens after you get a golden call? I think this is the most interesting question for every Emirates cabin crew. So जिन लोगों को नहीं पता what is a golden call, once you give all your interview and you have to wait for your confirmation, जो पहला call आता है we call that as a golden call, because come on, it's a dream guys, so you have to specify this call as a golden call. So after golden call you have to submit your medicals and you have to give your clearance, what do you say,
for your visa
and stuff, and then they send you the visa and tickets. That's it guys. Question number 3, it's by Afsar Ali. Please tell us, will they start hiring cabin crew and how was your experience after flying in coronavirus? We want to know what's your opinion. Will they start hiring? So please share your opinion. Go ahead.
So thank you so much for your question, Mr. Afsar Ali. Flying in corona was not like flying normally, because you are covered from head to toe and you cannot interact with passengers. You cannot do a lot of things we usually do in a flight. So
like you rightly said, it's just for your and our safety, and people are really जो लोग अभी ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं या तो वही है जो किसी कंट्री में स्टक हुए हैं और who really want to go home, जो कुछ किसी काम से जा रहे हैं, तो ऐसे लोग अभी ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं and I think like the flying has changed like upside down.
Exactly.
एक और क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज से few words in Kashmiri maybe in your next vlog. ये क्वेश्चन हमें पूछा है ताहिर बशीर ने, who is one of my subscriber and who follows me on Instagram as well. So उसके लिए मैं यही बोलूँगा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं उम्मीद तुझ सरियो से ठीक आज इस वीडियो बनावा यूसा क्वेश्चन आंसर व्लॉग से आई मैं उम्मीद तो करो ये वीडियो खुश एंड लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो वीडियो बेई इंशाल्लाह ये लिस कशीर गसो मैं उम्मीद कि अस बनाओ वारिया वीडियोस कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज मज, बिकॉज इट गेट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट अगर वो वनकस कशीर में कत करा कशीर लैंग्वेज में कत करा ये शुन तरह समझ कहीं. So it gets a little bit of difficult.
I understand everything. I understood each word he said.
Yeah. Let's not get into the details. So the next question is, hello Saheem. Thank you. Hope you are doing well. Your videos are good and exciting to see. Saheem, it's a humble request from my side. I am very keen to see your college life and wanted to know which course you have taken after your school. ये question पूछा है सईद अब्दुल ने. First of all, thank you so much कि आपको हमारी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही है. एंड मेरी स्कूल लाइफ के बाद जो मैंने कॉलेज लाइफ स्टार्ट करी थी, इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक अप एंड डाउन. आई एम ए प्राउड कॉलेज ड्रॉप. आई डिडंट फिनिश माई स्टडीज़, मैंने ग्रेजुएशन नहीं करी है, बट येस आई हैव डन कोर्स इन एविएशन मैनेजमेंट फ्रॉम फ्रैंकफर्ट. सो येस, बट आई डोंट वांट यू टू बीच में यह पढ़ाई छोड़ दो. आप 12th के बाद पूरा अपना ग्रेजुएशन मास्टर्स जो भी करना है वो कंप्लीट करके ही इस फील्ड में आ जाइए. दैट्स व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट पर्सनली. And then question is, brother, approximately how many interviews did you appear before you got selected as a cabin crew? ये question पूछा है Dennis Xavier ने, तो I think you should answer it first and then I'll answer it.
For me, if you ask me personally, I did not know even A about aviation. I gave just one interview in Jet, and that was my first interview of my life. I think I was just 18, my first interview, and I got through. So I think I already had those qualities which the recruiters were looking for, and I think that's why they took me, because they just want to polish your qualities. If they see it in you, they'll recruit you, and then for the training they'll just polish your existing skills. But if they don't see that in you, that's when you take time, you prepare yourself, and then go for the interview.
So guys, my story was a little bit different. मेरा ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं सीन था. I've given couple of interviews. I think 4 to 6 interviews मैंने दिए थे before I started working as a cabin crew with domestic airline, or you can say Jet Airways. And you have the example right in front of you. She is the one जिसने first shot में अपना interview clear किया, and you have the example जिसको 4 या 5 interviews लगे interview clear करने के लिए या फिर अपना career start करने में. So it's up to you guys. अगर आप इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट होते हो, डोंट लूज होप, जस्ट वर्क हार्ड, पॉलिश योर स्किल्स एंड गो फॉर इट गाइस. नथिंग इज इजी.
And the other part was, in Jet I took one shot, he took like second or third maybe, or he gave couple of interviews, and when in Emirates he got through first, like in one shot, and I had to like give 2 interviews in Emirates. That's when I got through. So it's all about the situation and how you give the interview, how well prepared you are.
Another question from, should we expect more videos from you both in future? Love from Pakistan. ये क्वेश्चन लिखा है सकीना खातून ने. थैंक यू सो मच. आपको हमारी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही है. सो yes, for sure we will be making future vlogs all together. आप लोगों की प्यार की वजह से ही we decided to make a Q&A vlog. And thank you for your support guys. Next question, brother, from your estimate, what percentage of male cabin crew are there in Emirates? ये question पूछा है Eden Hazard ने. Any opinions on this question?
I would like to say this to all of you guys out there. When you go for an interview and you see just 4 boys and you think my competition is very tough, guys, think about 120 girls. They might think that, oh my god, I wouldn't get selected if you think that in 4 boys. Just think that, okay guys, मेरा just 4 लड़कों में competition है, I have to give my best. Always, I think, compete with yourself. Give your best, and that's when you get through.
And बहुत time ये हो जाता है when you go for an interview, you see like less of boys, more of girls, or at times you see like more of boys, less of girls. लेकिन ये सुनने में आता है कि लड़के कम select होते हैं. Guys, just don't lose hope. ये सब दिमाग से छोड़ दो. Just work hard on your skills. Just focus आपको क्या बोलना है, कैसे prepare करना है. That's it, guys. बाकी जो ऊपर वाले को करना होगा वो आपको मिल जाएगा जरूर.
Exactly.
And दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, how many years of experience you had in Jet Airways or in any domestic airline if any? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है cute_boy93. So cute boy ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो उसका cute सा सवाल हम देंगे. Guys, I was working with Jet for almost 3 years. And did you had any experience before coming to Emirates?
I had the same amount of experience, the same number of days as Saheem, because we were batchmates in Jet Airways.
Yeah, we both were batchmates.
We started our career in aviation together from Jet till Emirates. So
okay,
yeah,
so I hope cute boy को ये सारा clear हो गया.
आंसर मिल गया हो.
Okay, so one more question from Arbaz Lakadwala. Sorry, I'm really bad. Lakadwala. I'm really bad with names. How can I apply for a cabin crew job? I am in London right now. Should I go on a website or something else? Guys, जिस हिसाब से मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहा हूँ, I think he is not familiar with the cabin crew thing. मैं यही चाहता हूँ पहले आप अच्छे से रिसर्च करो कि आपको cabin crew बनना है. What are the qualities? What are the requirements to become a cabin crew? And if you feel like this job suits you, you can go ahead and apply on a website. आप जिस एयरलाइन में अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, you can directly go on the website, you can check the criteria and apply directly.
True. So the next question is qualifications of a cabin crew, said by Mr. Kamran Mik. Thank you so much for your question. We already have made a video on this. However, if you want, we'll set the link in the description box, so you can have a look for that as well.
And yeah, the minimum qualification is you just have to be minimum 12th pass, like high school आपको clear होना चाहिए. That is the minimum qualification. बाकी height, weight वो आप detail check कर सकते हो, वो detail video हमने बनाई already. Question number 13. Hello, sorry, cabin crew में scope है या it's temporary? फाज खान ने क्वेश्चन पूछा. आई थिंक इसका मतलब ये है कि cabin crew में scope है या फिर is it a temporary job? Go ahead.
I think there's a lot of scope after you become a cabin crew because you start traveling the world, you get a different exposure to what you want to become your life. You discover yourself and what do you like, what do you dislike about yourself, and that's when you see that okay, I want to do this after being a cabin crew. If you do a 9 to 5 job, maybe you won't get that exposure, you won't get to know better of what you want to really do in your life.
Yeah, so the simple answer is yes, it is, you can say it a full-time job or a permanent job. It's not a temporary job. And moreover, I have seen cabin crew who are working as a pilot right now, or it depends on your choice. आप cabin crew के बाद क्या बनना चाहते हो? You can switch to the ground, you can go to the recruitment, you can become an instructor, you can teach people. So yes, आप इसके बाद भी बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. Question number 14. Bhai, I really want to know your skincare routine. It's a humble request. ये question दो लोगों ने पूछा है. It's अरमान खान, Faisal _ Faisal
I never get
93.
these questions about my skincare routine and you are getting.
First of all, I'm really sorry अगर मैं इसके बारे में वीडियो नहीं बना रहा हूँ. For sure, inshallah, I'll try my best कि मैं फ्यूचर में इस बारे में एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बनाऊंगा आपके लिए. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं वीडियो बनाऊं, मैं ज़रूर बनाऊंगा. तो अभी मैं शॉर्ट में आपको यही बताऊंगा. आई यूज़ ऑल माई प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम बॉम्बे शेविंग कंपनी. इंडिया में बहुत इजीली ये प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाते हैं. दिस इज स्पेशली एक्सक्लूसिवली मेड फॉर द मैन. आपका ग्रूमिंग, बियर्ड, एवरीथिंग उनका सब मिल जाता है. इवन the razors, you get everything from the Bombay Shaving Company. So the products I use are from the Bombay Shaving Company. So guys, the next question is when airline will start recruitment, and is there any hope that they will start recruiting in next few months? ये question पूछा है श्रेष्ठा ने. And
Shrestha, thank you so much for your question, and I think we have answered this in the beginning of the vlog.
आपको यही बता दूं guys, it's all about the demand. लोग फ्लाइट ज़्यादा करेंगे तो ज़्यादा रिक्रूटमेंट होगी. फ्लाइट्स कम है तो बहुत कम रिक्रूटमेंट होगी. या तो एक महीने में भी रिक्रूटमेंट आ सकता है या तो एक साल के बाद भी आ सकता है. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द डिमांड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हम किस एज तक कैबिन क्रू जॉब कर सकते हैं? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है मिस्टर हर्षित.
There are a lot of criteria which fall into your age limit. If you have any medical illness or if you have anything else that will affect your limit of flying. So I think this is a very tricky question, but it differs from airline to airline, I think.
Like in short, I can say you have to be physically and mentally fit.
Exactly.
तब तक आप काम कर सकते हो. And if we talk specifically with Emirates, maximum आप till the age of 50 आप काम कर सकते हो as a cabin crew. Moving on to the next question. How is the lifestyle in Dubai and is it expensive? ये question पूछा है निहारिका गुप्ता ने. So lifestyle in Dubai. First of all, yes, it is expensive if you compare the cost with India, Pakistan or any Asian countries. It is expensive. And lifestyle, it's amazing. Please explain
Yes.
little.
If you ask me, it is very safe, it is very happening, as well as there is a lot of growth in a lot of sectors in Dubai. Like you will always find a lot of opportunities, a lot of things to do in Dubai.
That's true.
As far as your career is concerned, I think like you can do multiple things at the same time. So like we came here as a crew, but now we have started YouTube and we are doing a lot of things along with it. So I think that is what Dubai is all about, you know. It gives you like a growth in your career and
Yeah.
in your life as well.
That's true. Moving on to the next question, question number 18. There is one request from my side. Please make a video on how to shoot and edit and which applications and what all gears do you use on your videos. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है इकबाल ने. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. अगर आप इतना इंटरेस्टेड हो कि हम एडिट कैसे करते हैं तो इसके लिए हम एक स्पेसिफिक वीडियो बना देंगे. बस मैं आपको यही बता दूं, इनिशियली मैंने स्टार्टेड व्लॉगिंग, मैंने इस फ़ोन से अपना व्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट करा है. एंड उसके बाद जब मुझे इतना ज़्यादा सपोर्ट, इतना ज़्यादा प्यार मिला, एंड शी परचेज अ कैमरा फॉर मी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. एंड बाकी हम आगे बता देंगे. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वन मोर थिंग. What will be the weight requirement for an international airline on an average? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है मोहम्मद शादाब ने. डायरेक्टली हाइट और वेट के बारे में बात करें, इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर BMI। आपका जितना हाइट है उसी हिसाब से आपका वेट होना चाहिए। दिस इज फ्रॉम रोहित चावला। आई हैव पिंपल्स ऑन माई फोरहेड, कैन आई बिकम अ कैबिन क्रू? Go ahead.
Yes, you can become a cabin crew. Even I had acne issues. I went to a doctor. I went to a dermat and got myself treated, and then I gave the interview. But for we girls, it's a little different thing because we can conceal and we can do a lot of other things. For you guys, you need to get treated. You need to get your scar healed, and then you can give the interview.
Guys, pimples हर किसी इंसान को आते हैं अपनी टीनेज में। अगर आप टीनेजर के हिसाब से बोल रहे हो आई हैव पिंपल्स ऑन माई फोरहेड, इट्स नॉट अ बिग इशू। ट्रीटमेंट कीजिए एंड ऑटोमेटिकली अब टाइम आता है खुद ही चले जाते हैं, एंड देन अप्लाई फॉर अ कैबिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, हाउ मच डू यू अर्न इन एमिरेट्स? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है पबजी गेम जोन। वेल, वी अर्न अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, लाइक वी अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ $1 million, you can say.
No, that's not true. We earn enough to have a good lifestyle and to save a bit. That's all we can say for now.
Yeah, that's all we can say. And you have a very good lifestyle. Everything is provided by the company. So you always say that this place looks like Kashmir, and it seems you miss your house in Kashmir. So I just want to know how often do you go home? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है हमाद ने। So अगर कश्मीर की बात करें, yes guys, I really miss my family, my house a lot, and अब तो आदत हो गई। And how often do you go home? Well, when I was working with the domestic airline, एक महीने में I used to go 3 or 4 times. So it was because बहुत पास में था। अभी लेकिन कंट्री चेंज करनी है, so once in 6 months, once in 4 months I go. And what about you?
Me, same. When I was on the domestic airline, I was not based in my hometown Mumbai. I was based in Cochin, but like still I used to go every weekend to my place in Mumbai. I used to take a flight. I used to go stay 24 hours and back. But now since I'm in Dubai, you won't believe it guys, my first holiday after 9 months was in the month of March. I went for 5 days and I had to come back because everything was getting locked down in Mumbai, and I was like, I will be stuck in Mumbai if I don't come back. So I had to leave my holidays, come back over here, and since then I'm stuck. I'm just waiting for everything to get normal in India so I can go back and stay with my family.
Guys, moving on to the next question, ये स्पेशली सना के Instagram पे आया था, DM आया था। How do you manage your work life, your YouTube and your personal life? आपको मैं एक टॉप सीक्रेट बता दूं, आई ओनली डू द शूटिंग पार्ट। खाली बिहाइंड द कैमरा जो भी होता है, शी इज डूइंग एवरीथिंग। एडिट्स ये करती है, एंड जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है स्क्रिप्टिंग। गाइस, स्क्रिप्टिंग एंड एडिटिंग इसका काम होता है, बाकी शूटिंग मैं कर लेता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैं रिसेंटली आई वॉज ऑन ए लंडन लेओवर, तो इसने मुझे ऑलरेडी पहले ही स्क्रिप्ट दे दिया था, वहाँ पर मैंने वो शूट कर दिया, एंड मैंने इसको सारा जो रॉ मटेरियल है शूटिंग का, वीडियोस का, इसके हाथ दे दिया। शी वेंट ऑन अ लेवर पे इसने एडिट करके शी अपलोडेड द स्टफ। सो इट्स लाइक आधा काम मैं करता हूँ, आधा काम ही कर देती है।
Yes, it goes hand in hand.
Next question is, what are your plans? How long you are going to stay in Dubai, and what will you do after Emirates? ये पूछा है सुशांत। Guys, मैं सच बताऊँ, मेरे बहुत plans थे 2020 में, but you know how is it going right now? And it's only been 1 year in Dubai, so I don't have any plans कि मैं इसके बाद क्या करूँ. I think this is the only airline I will be working for because this is the best I can say. And staying in Dubai, yes, if God will अगर अच्छा लगा, maybe we can stay in Dubai forever or something.
For me, if you ask me, I do not plan anything. It's because I believe in this one thing that if you plan everything for yourself, then what is God for? So I leave certain things in His hand. So I know whatever He has planned for me is the best.
Next question is, do you ever feel lonely at times, and how do you manage that? First, you want to answer that?
About being lonely and how do you manage it, I feel I have been very fortunate from the beginning that I had Saheem with me from day one. So I had somebody to talk to and share my ups and downs with since past many years.
मैं बताऊँ how do you manage your time, guys? अभी मैं सच बताऊँ, it's almost been 6 years I'm staying away from the family. Yes, initially आपको बहुत ज़्यादा you start missing your family, you start missing your home, but you guys get used to it. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ that मुझे family की याद नहीं आ रही. Yes, I miss my family a lot. I'm always connected to my family, but yeah, You have to manage everything. आपको अपना personal life, professional life, work, YouTube, everything you have to manage.
Exactly.
And guys, ये बहुत interesting question है. ये पूछा है दानिश शेख ने. When you go out on an international destination, how do you connect to your family? I mean, SIM and all. So guys, आपको मैं ये बता दूँ, जब भी हम इंटरनेशनल डेस्टिनेशन पे जाते हैं, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द क्रू, 90% ऑफ द क्रू, दे हैव द इंटरनेशनल रोमिंग एक्टिव. दैट्स बिट एक्सपेंसिव, बट अभी एक और ऑप्शन है, लाइक शी इज यूजिंग, आई एम यूजिंग द पॉकेट फाई. You just press the button, you're connected to the Wi-Fi anywhere in the world. That is the best thing.
So we have a last question, and that question is that what was your motivation behind YouTube? I think who was your motivation behind YouTube, and who is your favorite YouTuber? Even I want to know this.
मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियोस में भी बोला है, the motivation behind, you know, me starting a YouTube channel is her. I think it was my birthday, 23rd birthday. She motivated me. No, you can do it, because I used to watch Mumbaikar Nikhil's vlogs and I was really crazy about motorsport. And उस टाइम मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं एक YouTube channel start कर दूँ, but due to time maybe I was not confident enough. मेरा मन नहीं करता था. I was very shy, to be very frank. But she is the one who encouraged me कि you should start a YouTube channel. मैं आपको ये बता दूँ, मेरा first video shoot करने के लिए I took around 2 or 3 days. So it's all about time. My favorite YouTuber, I would say Mumbaikar Nikhil. I would say God of Taneja. I just love that guy. Boombam. And yes, I really like the content about the Think Media. They talk about the gears and cameras. And I have one more YouTuber who really helped me and who really supported me. He's from Kashmir, Imad Clicks. His portraits are amazing.
I love them.
And she is.
But I am a big fan of.
But yeah, he is the one who really helped me a lot in editing. आप कौन सा editing software use करो, कौन सा camera. Like he helped me in everything. So he is the one जिसने मुझे बहुत guide किया, support किया. Thank you so much, brother. And inshallah we'll meet soon and we will definitely make a vlog together. I think this is the end of all the questions. Thank you so much. अगर आपको ये interaction अच्छा लगा तो like और subscribe कीजिए. And जैसा मैंने बोला था, we will be sharing an amazing news for you. आप लोगों के लिए इंशाल्लाह बहुत ही amazing होगी. The thing is that she has got 723 requests in just 3 or 4 days on Instagram.
Exactly.
So
I was very lazy to accept them, and Saheem told me that since you know we are doing YouTube, you should make your account public. I was like, okay, I was thinking about it. I was not so sure about it, but he was like, see, your Instagram like is pouring up with requests, and do it now, because I know you won't go on Instagram and click them one by one and accept it. What's better than make it public and make it a business account? So I was like, yes, I'll think about it, and yes.
So guys, like people really want to know you, so
yeah,
I think the credit goes to me because I give you a lot of shout outs. I'm joking guys. So this was the news guys. She will be making her account, Instagram account public. Go follow her on Instagram. I'll send the link in the description. And अगर आप नए हो चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and मुझे follow करना नहीं भूलना.
yes.
Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye and do take care of yourself and wear mask. It is mandatory now.